Hello everybody, welcome to the Excel spreadsheet edition of how to calculate a cash budget template. As you see, months have been inserted already into the budgets and cash in for sale of goods and services for Sony laptop, wireless headphones, PC disk, Microsoft Windows 10 mobile phone, and here you have to calculate the total cash in from the goods and services. Before I do that, I want to calculate the budget total. Here's how you do it. It starts off with an equal sum. When you have that, press enter. €24,000. Okay, that was a quick one. Now let's calculate the total cash in from goods and services. Equal sum once again. And then fill that in for the rest of the answers. Yep, it's very good. Now let's go down and calculate the next step, which is total cash out on expenses. Okay, that's good so far. Okay, next is how to calculate the total cash from operations. B11 plus B21. So B11 is total cash in goods and services plus cash out on expenses. Okay, fill that in for the rest of the budgets. Very good. I'll calculate the budget total once again. Okay, now the next is how to calculate the total cash to use in investing. Sum B25 it's B26. So liability insurance and marketing and promotion expenses. The answer is €475,000. Okay, that's very good. Again, let's calculate the budget total. Okay, now we're going to have to calculate the total cash deals from finance. Here's how you do it. €72,500. So you simply add them two together. Okay, then one last step is to calculate the total increase or decrease in cash. So let's go back up. So it is total cash from operations plus total cash investing plus total cash used from finance. And that'll be the total answer for the total increase or decrease in cash. Okay, that's very good. That's how you do it. I have a budget chart created, inserted already. All I have to do is edit the chart's name. Here you see the products from the top, those on the top of the operating budget template. Sony laptop, wireless headphones, PC disk, and Microsoft Windows mobile phone, and also the total cash in from goods and services. Yes, now I'm going to edit the chart title. Oops, goods and services chart. So yeah, that's it for the, hold on, turn the grid lines off. Okay, that's it for today. Just simply lay it out the way it is, and then just enter any number you want in the products and the variable costs. All you need to do is you just need to calculate the budget total from January to December. Do the total cash in from goods and services. You have to calculate that too. You just need to calculate the total cash out and expenses, cash from operations, total cash in investing, total cash from financing, and total decrease or increase in cash. That's all you need to do. So that's it. That's basically what you have to do when you're trying to calculate and lay out a cash budget template in an Excel spreadsheet. So that's it for today. So thank you all very much for watching this. It's been very interesting and very fascinating, and it's very interesting to learn about finance too. And once you want to work on finance, you'll have to know how to handle and manage a cash budget template. So that's it. That's all for today, and thank you all for watching this. So wash your hands, stay safe, and have a good pleasant evening. Adios.